Now let's take the derivative of 3 times the square root of x. So again, starting with the limit definition, limit as h goes to 0, f of x plus h minus f of x all over h. And now we just say that whenever the input is x plus h, we write 3 times the square root of the input. And when we have f of x, we just have 3 square root of x all over h. And this now should explain to you why we spent the last few weeks practicing algebraic techniques. We are going to have to multiply by the conjugate to get this to work out. So we'll use 3 times the square root of x plus h plus 3 square root of x as the conjugate here. Expanding the numerator, we will get 3 root x plus h times 3 root x plus h. So 3 times 3 is 9. Root x plus h times root x plus h is just x plus h. Then the middle terms, one will be positive, one will be negative, so they subtract out. And then the last term in the numerator will be a negative 3 root x times a positive 3 root x, so the negative 9x. And we have h times the quantity, 3 square root of x plus h plus 3 square root of x. Okay, simplifying the numerator, we get 9x plus 9h minus 9x, and the denominator will be h times the 3 root x plus h plus 3 root x. Further simplifying the numerator, we get 9h in the numerator, and the denominator has h times the bits with the square roots. And at this stage, we see that we can safely cancel that h in the numerator and denominator. So now division by 0 is not a problem when h is tending to 0, and we can evaluate this limit using substitution. Our numerator is 9, and our denominator is 3 times the square root of x plus 0, plus 3 times the square root of x, or 9 over 6 square root of x, which simplifies to 3 over 2 square root of x. So what we are saying is that the derivative of 3 root x is 3 over 2 square root x.